You can start investing in mutual funds from your own Sharekhan account in just a few steps. Let's see how. Visit instamf.sharekhan.com. Enter your contact details and PAN details as registered with KRA. Enter your bank account details and create a login ID and password. Fill out a few regulatory requirements, read and accept all necessary terms and conditions, and there you go. Your InstaMF account is all set. Open a Sharekhan InstaMF account and start investing today.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Please read the offer document and scheme-related documents carefully before investing. Refer to Sharekhan website for the detailed disclaimer.